Living a healthy life doesn't have to be hard. Small changes can make a big difference. It's about feeling good, having energy, and enjoying life. You can start making healthy choices today. Eating well gives your body what it needs. Choose fresh foods like fruits and vegetables. They are full of vitamins and minerals. Eat lean meats and fish for protein. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water keeps you hydrated and helps your body work properly. Exercise doesn't mean you have to run a marathon. Find activities you enjoy. Whether it's a gentle yoga session in the park, a friendly game of tennis, or joining a group fitness class, the key is to keep moving and have fun while doing it. The more you enjoy the activity, the more likely you are to stick with it. Take a walk in the park. Go for a swim. These activities not only help you stay fit but also allow you to connect with nature and loved ones. Walking is a simple yet effective way to get your heart pumping, and swimming is a full-body workout that's easy on the joints. Plus, it's a great way to cool off on a hot day. Dance to your favorite music. Dancing is a fantastic way to exercise without even realizing it. Whether you're at a party with friends, dancing alone in your living room, or taking a dance class, it's a fun way to burn calories and improve your mood. Let the rhythm move you and feel the joy of movement. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This can include jogging in the morning, cycling on a scenic path, or playing frisbee with your family. Consistency is key, and finding activities you enjoy will make it easier to incorporate exercise into your daily routine. Exercise keeps your heart healthy and strengthens your body. It boosts your energy levels, improves your mood, and helps you sleep better. Whether you're jogging along a scenic route, doing stretching exercises, or lifting weights in the gym, every bit of movement counts. So get moving and feel the benefits of an active lifestyle. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Taking care of your mind can lead to a more fulfilling and balanced life. It's essential to recognize the signs of stress and take proactive steps to manage it. Stress is a normal part of life, but too much stress is bad for you. It can affect your mood, your productivity, and even your physical health. Chronic stress can lead to serious health issues like heart disease, anxiety, and depression. Recognizing when you're stressed and knowing how to cope with it is crucial. Find healthy ways to manage stress. Spend time in nature. Practice deep breathing exercises. Engaging in physical activities like hiking or yoga can also help. Meditation and mindfulness practices are excellent tools to calm your mind and reduce stress levels. These activities not only improve your mental health, but also enhance your overall well-being. Talk to someone you trust if you're feeling overwhelmed. Sharing your feelings with friends or family can provide emotional support and relief. If needed, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Therapists and counselors are trained to help you navigate through tough times. Remember, taking care of your mental health is a continuous journey, and it's okay to ask for help. Sleep is essential for your body and mind to rest and recharge. It's during sleep that your body repairs itself, and your mind processes the day's events. Without adequate rest, you may find it difficult to concentrate, make decisions, or even manage your emotions effectively. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This amount of sleep helps to ensure that you go through all the necessary sleep cycles, including deep sleep and REM sleep, which are crucial for physical and mental restoration. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in activities that calm your mind and body, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or meditating. These practices signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Both substances can interfere with your sleep patterns, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Instead, opt for a calming herbal tea or a glass of water. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. A comfortable sleep environment can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. Consider using blackout curtains, a white noise machine, or adjusting the thermostat to create the perfect sleep setting. Good sleep improves your mood, energy levels, and overall health. When you're well rested, you're more likely to feel positive, energetic, and ready to take on the day. Prioritizing sleep is one of the best things you can do for your overall well-being.